Hello there! I want to share with you a recap of my digital planner from the months of January to June. My digital planner is a way for me to explore my creativity. I created a planner that resembles an open notebook with dot pages. Instead of having a specific setup on my planner, I enjoy drawing and creating different layouts every month. This digital planner has 100 hyperlink pages, which means that whenever I click on a number or a word, the link will take me to a specific page on the planner. On the cover of the planner, I added a picture of my dog Rocky and a quote at the bottom of the image. At the beginning of the year, I like to choose a quote that represents how I want to grow throughout the year. While I was reading the book 3 Weeks with My Brother, this quote stayed in my mind. From the index of the planner, let's go to the key section. The key page on my planner is pretty simple. As I show you the other pages of the planner, you will see how I use the symbols to stay organized throughout the week. I didn't end up using these two pages. Instead of leaving them blank, on the left page I'm going to add a printable about me, and on the right page I'm going to add a habit tracker. On these two pages, I keep track of the quotes that I use throughout the year. At the moment, I have the quotes that I use for the months of January through June. Everything on this page was hand-drawn. This currently reading printable and all the other ones that I use on my planner can be downloaded for free from my website. I will link them in the description box. From January to March, I didn't use the layouts I created. I used those months to play around in my planner to find a setup that will help me stay organized and productive. The quote that I used for the month of January, I also included in the quotes section of the planner. I enjoy reading the quotes at the end of the year as a way of looking back at how I was feeling throughout the months. Around the month of February, I started adding digital stickers to my calendar designs. This calendar is one of my favorites. I love how the pink and the red colors match and the way the roses just sit on the page. I love this weekly spread. The lettering and the wings on the sides of the weekly to-do title is just beautiful. I tried practicing my lettering on the GoodNotes app with this printable. It's not as smooth as using the Procreate app, but I like the way the words look when I highlight them with the pen. During April is when I started using the layouts I created on my planner. My goal was to make them simple and girly. I use the calendar on the left to know which week I'm currently on, and on the right page I write down everything that I want to do during that week. I also have a separate section to keep track of my emails, calls, and bills that I need to pay. This layout is very beautiful, but I didn't end up using it. I started using the app Trello to keep track of my blog and my shop. For the months of May and June, I'm still drawing a mini calendar on the cover page, and I'm using the right page to keep track of all my weekly to-dos. Something that I love about this layout are the pink washi tapes that I drew on the borders of the planner. Small details like this can make the pages look amazing without being an expert at drawing. June's layout is one of my favorites. I tried to step out of my comfort zone by mixing colors and stickers. I kept the weekly to-dos on the cover page and on the right page, as it has helped me stay organized and productive throughout the months. I copied the calendar from the previous page and pasted it on the top right as a reference for the week that I'm currently working on. These two boxes of goals and memories have been really helpful. I prefer to fill the memories box with pictures of things that bring me joy during the month. For the month of July, I'm probably going to get rid of this template as I have only been using the one on the left page. The savings tracker is a printable that I added, but I want to show you how I'm filling the jar with patterns. These pages are for things that I'm loving at the moment, like movies, TV shows, BTS. I wanted to have them inside a Polaroid picture. Let me explain how I organize my index. June is the main topic, and the words with a dash at the beginning mean that they belong to that specific main topic. Just in case you're wondering, here's how my digital planner looks on my iPhone. On my shop, you can find all these cute digital planners. This pink planner is the best one. You can edit this planner if you want to skip the DIY part of digital planning. You can change the cover of the planner with a picture or a different color. This planner comes with 100 hyperlink pages and an index at the bottom right. I always include helpful instructions with all my planners. Check the description box for more details.